this is what I wish I knew before I started day trading. And if you're starting to day trade in 2026, then this video is for you. Something that traders don't realize is that they don't fail because of their strategy or their analysis. They fail because of their mindset. Their mindset is normally not in the right place, their psychology is not correct, and they don't know how to achieve proper mindset for trading. And I was in the same hole for a little while. Honestly, I was, and most traders also are in the same hole for a while before they turn profitable. But this is what I would do to actually fix your psychology. If I could go back, I would have switched my mindset before switching any strategies and before strategy hopping. Essentially, what I wanted to tell you guys is if you're going to start day trading, I would try to fortify your mindset as much as possible. And realistically, what helped me fortify my mindset and become the best version of myself mentally and psychologically is this one thing. And you guys are probably going to be like, oh, fuck that, I'm not going to do that. But if you don't do this, you're not going to become profitable. Or if you do, it's going to take you way longer than it should. This book right here, it's called Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. This guy was a trading coach, a highly respected trading coach back in the day, who mentored a bunch of people on the trading floor on Wall Street. This guy talks about a lot of things in this book, a lot of things that will help you fix your psychology and have a mindset to actually trade consistently, profitably, consistently, okay? Because you can be profitable a couple times. It doesn't mean you are profitable. You have to be consistent. Consistency is the hardest thing to achieve in trading, and many people don't understand that. Now, there's these 5 fundamental truths in trading that you must understand these before you ever start to trade. Or if you are trading, you must understand these in order to become profitable, okay? First thing, well, you see the 5 truths right there. The first thing is anything can happen in the markets. Literally anything can happen. This just takes away the fact of you thinking in a right or wrong mindset. You can't think you're right or wrong. You got to think in the mindset that anything can happen, okay? Number 2, you don't need to know what is going to happen next in order to make money. You don't need to know. All you need to do is react. Number 3, there's a random distribution between wins and losses for any given set of variables that define an edge. It just means that it's not always going to be like, oh, I took 1 loss and 1 win, 1 loss and 1 win. It's never going to be the same. It's always going to be scattered. There's going to be a streak of wins. Like sometimes you may have a win streak, sometimes you may have a losing streak. It's never going to be the same. So just because you took a loss, don't be scared to take a trade. And just because you took a win, don't be too confident to take a trade, like overly confident and size up. Always be neutral. Number 4, an edge is nothing more than an indication of a higher probability of one thing happening over another. Your edge or your model or your strategy just tells you that you have a higher probability of a trade actually working. It doesn't mean that it's going to work every single time, because that's not the truth. Nothing works every single time. It's just a probability. It's a numbers game. Number 5, every moment in the market is unique. You have to understand that no moment is identical to any other moment. In order to have a moment be exactly the same as another one, you'd have to have the same exact amount of people that enter the market in the same trade at the same time with the same amount of volume, and no new participants and no less participants, okay? That never happens. There's always a different amount of participants in the market, so it's impossible to have an exact same, I guess, moment in the market. What Mark Douglas does really well in this book is he removes emotions from trading. He makes your brain like a trading robot in a way. He takes emotions out of trading, which is the most important thing. He takes out limiting beliefs, like how to take fear out of trading, how to stay more confident, how to be more disciplined, how to have conviction. End of the day, he teaches you how to follow your rules, how to be a better trader, and how to consistently remain a good trader. Which, then again, remember how I said at the beginning, profitability is kind of like a weird term. You can have payouts, you can be profitable, but if you're not consistently profitable, you're not really profitable. So Mark Douglas does a great job in understanding and helping you understand how to maintain profitability consistently. Consistency is the most important part of trading, and that's what people don't understand. People can have a payout because they got lucky or they sized up and took a fat payout or whatever, but you're gonna find success long-term in trading only by being consistent. So if you're starting to trade in 2026, don't look for the best strategy in the world. Find a strategy that works for you, something that you're comfortable with, something that allows you to trade without fear, something without hesitation, something that if you take a certain amount of losses, it's okay with your mindset. Because even though you have a strategy that may be like 5 RR, 5 risk to reward, meaning if you enter, let's say you risk 100, you would make 500 every time. Even though that sounds really good, that might mean it's a lower win rate, which means you might take more losses. And if your psychology doesn't like that, it's not going to be a good strategy for you. For me, I personally like winning more. I like winning more. It's better for my mindset. Like, I don't like having more than 3 losses in a row. My strategy has 60 to 70% win rate, really a 66% win rate, and I target a 2 to 3 RR, which is comfortable for me. Some people can target higher RR with the lower win rate because their mentality is okay with losing more. My mentality, I need to win more. I don't like losing too many times, and I like trading less. I don't like taking 20 trades. So your strategy really depends on you as a person, as an individual. How many losses you're comfortable taking, how many trades a day do you want to be taking, how long do you want to be trading. I trade only from 9:30 to 11, which is what I'm comfortable with. After 11, I'm off the charts and I'm done for the day. Trading isn't about how long you can stay on the charts, it's about how much money you can make in a certain period of time. And really the goal is to focus on time freedom and just freedom in general. You don't have to trade to make $1 million. The goal in trading is not having to work a 9 to 5. That's the goal, guys. I mean, if you're trading for any other reason, you might be in it for the wrong reasons. Again, if you're starting to trade in 2026, make sure you have your priorities straight. Make sure you're trading and you're putting money aside, okay? You don't want to be trading to make money at the beginning because that's going to throw you off completely. You want to be working a job in the beginning is what I suggest. Have a job to fund your trading. You can't become a profitable trader without having another source of income. You're going to blow evals, you're going to blow the accounts, you're going to be stressed, it's going to affect your mentality, you're not going to be a good trader. And I'm telling you this from experience, my personal experience and other traders' experience. So yeah, if you're becoming a trader, that's what I would suggest. Again, last thing I'm going to leave you guys with in this video one more time. If you're starting to trade or you are trading and you're unprofitable and you have a problem with your psychology or your mentality and you don't know how to fix it, I promise you, read this book, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. It should be like 20, 30 bucks on Amazon. I made the mistake of buying the hard copy and the hard copy was like 80 bucks, bro. But you could probably find it for 20, 30 bucks on Amazon. The best investment you can make, the best book you can read. And I annotate, I highlight hella in this book because I go back and I go over it with pen sometimes and I write down things that are important for me, okay? Things that are important, and you'll know what I'm talking about. He talks about the things that you should note specifically, things you should go over, and it really does help. Sincerely, it's the best way to improve your psychology. There's been nothing else that I can suggest to do to improve your psychology as good as this book would fix it for you. So yeah, if you're into trading, read the book and get a job while you're starting to trade so you can fund your trading. And yeah, if you guys are looking to join a server and kind of have friends that trade, talk to people that trade, I have my own Discord server. It's called EA Trading. It is 100% free. The link should be in the description below. If you guys want to join it, just click the WAP link. It'll send you through there. You connect your Discord and you're in. It's 100% free. I live trade every single day, Monday to Friday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. You can take the same trades as me, ask me questions, and I have a bunch of informational and educational resources on there as well. And there's a bunch of other people that trade as well, not just me. There's over 300 people that trade with me in that server. So yeah, feel free to join up and you can ask any questions about trading or anything in general, and I'm more than happy to help you guys out. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and comment what you guys want me to make a video of next.